Hey YouTube, welcome to another episode of FLIPPIN JIGGZ TV. Today we're going to do an episode on MRE'S, Meals Ready to Eat. We got these on base last week, or this week. Last week I got lucky because last week they didn't have any. This week they had cases, so I got me a case of MRE'S, and these are not commercially resellable, unlawfully resellable. So as you can see, got my receipt right here.
How much did it cost? For the box.
The sticker price is right on the box, $117.69. And here's my receipt from the base, from the commissary. Here's my receipt.
How many?
I bought two extra ones just in case, because I wanted to make sure I got the ones I wanted. So we're going to try these out. Alright, so let's open this thing up and see what's in it.
Dad, tell them I'm behind the camera.
My son's behind the camera back there.
Hello.
Here's my daughter Jasmine, my wife Angie.
Hi.
So let's open this thing up.
No, I just need
We got a FLIPPIN JIGGZ fan band video going on and an unboxing of MRE'S.
I think that's...
Alright, so it's got beef goulash,
just leave it.
Mexican style chicken stew. What's that one say? Tuna chunk, light, water pack, lemon pepper.
Tuna makes me
Lemon pepper. These are military grade MRE'S too. These aren't just your regular camping ones.
Warfighter tested, warfighter approved.
What is it? Chinese or cheese tortellini and tomato sauce. Beef ravioli and meat sauce.
I think I'll get the beef goulash.
I'm gonna try the beef ravioli.
What does it say?
That says Southwest beef and black beans. Beef. Alright, so did you pick yours?
Yeah.
I picked mine. Let's just do two for now. Now these things are $9.81 each if they were to be sold
So
individually.
How many come in a box? Let's count them.
It says there's 12 meals on the box.
Okay, so 12. There's 12 meals in a box. 12 of these in a box.
Yep.
For 117 at the military base.
Alright, so let's move this to the
Can I
side.
open one? Can I open the other one? You should have. You go open one. Yeah.
Jasmine, which one are you going to want to open? Pick one. Christian,
Is it
pick
still
one.
recording, Jasmine?
Yeah. Let me see. Oh. I want.
Just want to make sure, because sometimes my camera likes to shut off.
I don't want another baby to come down.
Okay, hold on. Alright, so inside this MRE, hold on one at a time. Inside this MRE, let's take it all out. It has a lot of stuff. Now these are for rations for military personnel when they're out in the field and they don't have any food. They've been out there in combat or under the weather, whatever it may be. This is what they have to eat. They don't have a chef or somebody cooking their meals
Or a
for
microwave.
them. So here's beef ravioli. This one is chocolate banana nut muffin top. This is like a banana bread, chocolate banana bread muffin.
Oh, what's that?
Hold on, Jasmine.
What's that?
And this one has gum.
Oh, gum.
Or what is it? We'll open that up. Ooh, M&M's.
Can I have the gum?
Cheese spread. We have cheese spread. A beverage base powder tropical punch. Here's your I don't know what this is. This is for hot beverage. Hot beverage. There's some condiments, gum. There's freeze-dried coffee. Here's some wheat snack bread. And here's your heating element for the main the main
Dish.
main
Type
dish. So let's. Oh, can you grab me a water, Jasmine?
Okay.
Oh, grab it. So here's the beef tortellini. We gotta pour some water into it. I'm not gonna pour any pond water into it.
Now it starts heating up, right?
It's filled to the normal level.
Now it should be heating up. Did I just eat this?
No, not yet.
Alright, so let's let it.
I want to grab the gum.
Now it's getting hot.
I love gum.
It's getting hot now.
Why, can you smell it?
It's getting hot to fill it.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Whoa, dude.
So
Mom, don't be weird.
let it cook for a little while. So let's see, we have the tropical punch. Let's see, 12 ounces of water. So this is what, 20 ounces?
This is 16 ounce.
It's about 12 ounces. It's windy out here.
Yeah, there's probably going to blow it.
Alright.
Can I do it?
Here, Papa.
Shake it. Shake it, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty.
Here.
I'm actually getting kind of hungry.
Alright, so
My gun.
So now we have what here do we have here? We have the wheat snack bread. What is that? Let's find out. Let's open it. And it's like just a piece of bread. Piece of perforated bread.
Take a piece.
Probably goes with the meal.
This is a
What else is there?
bread.
Where's everything else?
This is
Let me
it.
see. We got
That.
some M&Ms. You see that, Jen?
What this?
Open it. Let me see it.
Can we get the
Alright,
gum?
let's see what this is. Chocolate banana bread.
So those M&Ms came in the bag. Hold on.
Yep.
Ooh, it's like a cookie.
No, that's too many.
It's a chocolate banana bread cookie.
Ooh.
And we got this one. It's beef goulash. Beef with brown rice, spinach, carrots, tomatoes, and smoked paprika. So we're gonna open this one up and see what's in it.
I want to taste it.
Let's see what's in it. Hold on. So here's the beef goulash. We have patriotic sugar cookies.
Yep. And here's gum.
And then here's some condiments. Probably it looks like a beverage, some
Kinda
type
looks like
of Gatorade probably. We have strawberry jam, peanut butter.
Oh.
Here's some milk chocolate cocoa beverage powder. You could probably heat that up. And here's applesauce. Zapple sauce it's called. Here's the heating element. And here's some white wheat snack bread. It's bread. It's a bread, white bread. Alright, so let's get cooking.
First you want to try this one?
Hold on. Where's the goulash? Here it is. Alright, so we gotta open this up. Put some water in it.
Christian, put that up. Is it hot?
That's why I'm holding the cardboard. Don't. You gotta touch it right here.
Put the goulash goulash in. Which way? This way.
Move around.
And this is beverage powder, naturally flavored, without water, just chemically purified, stand 30 minutes. I guess it's just chocolate milk. So we'll just let this cook. Beef goulash. This is 230 calories just for this.
Wow.
This whole meal is probably around 3,000 calories.
You wanna wear this one?
You know, it's for the service members when they're out there in the field. They don't have, you know, a chef, anybody to cook for them, facilities. I mean, as you can see, there's toilet paper right there. Let's open that up. We have some toilet paper,
What's this?
gum,
I might.
salt, moist toilet,
My gum dissolved.
and then raspberry beverage.
Upside down.
Probably like
You have it
Gatorade.
upside down.
Alright, so we're letting that one cook. Christian, let me see that one.
That one's almost ready. Is it cooked?
This one
it's
should
cooked.
be ready.
It's cooked. It's cooked.
And this one was the beef ravioli we tried to do in another video, but the camera keeps shutting off. So let's try it. Should be cooked. Let's see.
Christian. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Jamin.
Maybe it's supposed to be. I don't think it's supposed to be straight up and down like it is. I don't think the whole thing cooked. Look like that.
This one's going through my arm. That's why boots are dangerous, guys. They don't look in my arm.
These cooked. Alright, let's try the patriotic sugar cookies. Want to try some
Mom,
cookies?
looking back at you. Sure.
Okay. What kind of cookie is that again?
Sugar cookies.
Patriotic sugar cookies.
Mmm.
Let me
Oh,
try.
yeah.
Let me try one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. They're good.
They're good, huh?
Here, buddy.
They're really good.
No, birds can't eat crunchy stuff. It gets stuck in their throat. Remember? They go like, oh.
Look at, he's getting closer.
Hey, Brady.
He tamed the bird.
Now I can smell the chemicals really cooking. I can smell them.
Every food has chemicals, guys.
Hey, Brady. Come on. Come on. Hey, Brady.
Bird getting a little taste of the MRE cookie, huh?
Alright.
He's eating it.
You can ride it.
Alright, let's try it.
Cute.
I want to taste that now.
I just sat on my keys.
Bye, Javin.
We got
She's not into this anymore.
white wheat snack. It's probably bread.
Probably.
It's
Yep.
bread. So we got a piece of bread. It smells like bread. So we got what? We got applesauce. We have peanut butter and jelly.
I love applesauce. It's healthy.
That bread is pretty good. It's good.
Look, it's bubbling.
Bubbling.
Yes.
Birdie!
So we put some peanut butter on this.
Mommy never been M&M.
Let's try some jelly on it. Man, these things are really hard to open. Alright, Peanut butter and jelly. Okay.
And what is that, Christian?
It's applesauce.
It's applesauce?
Yeah.
And what does it taste good?
I feel hyper.
You're funny.
Okay, comes Birdie. Very good. Papa, one bite?
No.
I'll taste it.
One bite?
Let me taste this.
This tastes good.
Peanut butter is good.
Peanut butter is good for what? How long will it last?
Good.
A whole year? 2 years?
These boxes are probably good for a couple of years. And it's a brand new box. It's not old. I didn't buy it from a, you know, a surplus store or anything like that. This is straight from the government, from the store, on the base. So that should be good for at least 2 years, 2.5 years. All right, this one should be warm. Which one? Which one is the first one? The beef goulash.
This is good, the peanut butter and jelly.
Let's try this one. The beef ravioli. That one's been cooking for a while. Alright, so let's open this thing up. Where's the spoon, Papa? There you go. Beef ravioli.
And how does that taste? Let Papa try it.
Tastes pretty good. Papa, you want to try it?
Yeah.
Does it taste good, Christian?
It just tastes like ravioli.
Nice.
Want to try it?
Sure.
And I'll record.
Now, that one didn't heat out that good. I think we should have let this one heat a little bit longer.
Let me see. Let me see. Oh, that's easy.
The tasting test.
All right, let's try the drink.
Whoa. Well, guys, the ravioli tastes really good. Let me show you here. Ravioli. MRE ravioli.
There's a bug on it.
Hey, Christian, you eat it.
I already have the applesauce.
Okay.
Is the applesauce good?
Yeah, it's better. It tastes like normal applesauce. Just a little bit sugar.
Here comes the bird again. Didn't take off with Jasmine's M&M's. Alright, let's pour that in there. Hopefully it doesn't take off with my GoPro. Babe, what are you recording?
You're doing the drink.
What's that? What is it?
And what drink is that one? What's the name of it? Raspberry.
She says beverage based raspberry type. Tastes like Kool-Aid.
Let me taste it.
Can I record you?
No.
You done eating the ravioli, Christian?
Sorry. I love the applesauce.
Oh wow, this one tastes good.
Milk chocolate.
What is it called again? The raspberry? Oh, this one's good. Jasmine, Mom, look, come and taste the raspberry drink. Come and tell all the YouTubers what it tastes like.
Well, these are
raspberry,
even better than the ones that I remember because the ones that I used to get when I was active duty were horrible. These are pretty good.
What does that ravioli taste like, Chris?
You were lucky to get a good one back in the days.
Okay, Jasmine, let me see your taste
It's a
test.
whole different menu.
Go, Mama.
You eating it all up, Papa?
What it tastes like?
Wanna bite again?
Good, huh? Yum yum.
Want another bite?
Let Jasmine taste the ravioli. Give us
Jasmine, taste
your opinion on the ravioli, Jasmine. Miss Jasmine Carvajal. Give us the taste opinion. What's your opinion?
I'm eating gum.
I think this one's done.
Is that my beef?
Yeah.
Ooh, I want to taste the beef.
Goulash.
I want to taste that beef.
This one feels warm. Ah, it's hot. Yeah, it's hot. Mix it up a little bit. Ooh, it's hot. Burning my fingertips.
Isn't there another spoon?
Yeah, somewhere.
We're mixed up now.
There was a spoon up here. I don't know where the spoon went.
Intermission.
You know where the spoon went?
Nope. The bird took it. It was the bird.
Papa. The spoon disappeared.
5 minutes and counting.
Really? Okay, let's do this and then we'll end the video.
Wait,
Ooh.
Show me the inside.
Looks like goulash to me.
Oh, what?
Looks like it has some rice and some
Mix it up.
chicken.
Mix it up and then show me again.
I don't want this now. It looks good. Let me try it.
Let's try it. There's a piece of beef right there.
You eat all the M&Ms? No. I didn't eat them at all. It's all saved them for later.
Tastes like roast beef. Pretty good. Roast beef and tomato sauce. One more bite. Hot. Wanna try it?
Be careful, it's hot, Chris. Let's see. Let's taste. Taster number 2. Let me see what you got there, Christian. Ooh, what is it? Is it taste good?
It tastes like bacon soup.
Bacon soup.
Pretty good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
What's this one?
Applesauce.
Applesauce? You ate it all?
Yeah. I couldn't.
Oh wow, that was pretty good. Well, for the MRE'S, these are better than the ones that I remember when I was in active duty. No complaints here. I mean, except for maybe the calories. They're like 3,000, I think, a pop. But I spread it throughout the family, so I didn't get all the calories. I guess that's it for this YouTube video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next FLIPPIN JIGGZ TV video coming up. We're gonna do another unboxing right after this one.
Stay healthy.
Stay tuned, like and subscribe on your FLIPPIN JIGGZ and the Fam Bam
and the notification bell.
And the notification bell. All right. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. I know you guys have lots of YouTubers to watch. Take it easy.
Don't forget to eat water.
Bam!